Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out of the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to review how to find the volumes of cylinders, cones, and spares. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. The volumes of cylinders, cones, and spheres can be easily organized into table for comparison and memorization. Like for cylinder, the formula is V is equals to pi r squared h, where r is the radius and h is the height. For cone, the formula is V is equals to 1/3 pi r squared h or height, and the spare is V is equals to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So r is for radius. All right, so let's identify the key relationships and their observations. For cone versus cylinder, the formula for cone is 1/3 of the formula for a cylinder with the same radius and height. So this means three cones of a specific size can fill one cylinder of the same size. For sphere versus cylinder, the volume of the sphere is 2/3 of the cylinder with the same radius and height equal to the sphere's diameter. Constants, all three formulas use the mathematical constant pi, which is equivalent to 3.14, or you can use the 22 over something, no? So, or 7. Dimensions, notice as cylinder and cone forms use both radius, okay, and height, while the spare formula only uses the radius. Mhm. So here are the basic shapes of their volume. So we have the sphere, cylinder, and cone. Okay. So please take note of this and you can observe. All right. So let's calculate the cylinder, cone, and sphere for the problem listed below. Label all your answers with the appropriate unit. Choose your works. Use 3.14 for the pi and round your answer to the nearest tenths. Okay. Now, so let's solve first for the cylinder. Okay, here the volume is equal to 5 r squared h. Okay, so we have 5 squared times 5. Okay, so pi is 3.14. This is constant. Fourteen times 2 feet squared times the height, which is 4 feet. Got 3.14. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4 feet square. Then times 4 feet. Okay. Then we got, so we have, let's use this space here. So 4 times 4, that's 16. So 3.14, 16 feet or cubic feet. So the total is product is equal to 50.24 Okay, so this time we're going to solve for the cone. So the cone formula, right? Right, so if we're going to solve for the cone has a formula V is equals to 1/3 times pi r squared r squared h. Okay, so that is 1/3 times 3.14 2 feet times the height, which is 4 feet. So we get here 1/3 3.14. So again, we have 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 feet square. It's 4 feet. So we have, if we're going to multiply 3.14 times 4 times 4, that is 15. So okay, we multiply them all. So we have 50 point 24 cubic feet. Then divide it by 3. So the final volume is 16.75 cubic feet. Okay, so importante guys, you need to put the no, the units. Okay, it's very important. All right, that's it. So for spare, SP, right? For spare, just use the formula V is equals to 4 third pi cube, no? Okay, so just plug in the value, no, for for the pi, which is 2 feet, or for the radius, which is 2 feet, and then 3.14 for the pi, and then multiply by 4 divided by 3. All this easy using your own calculator. Okay, so let's move on. You we post this video, and then you can solve this one. That's for number 2. Number 3. So the given here is diameter. Just divide it by 2 to get the radius. Then apply it into the problem. So this one is conical. That means the formula you should be cone. And this is spiral lantern, so that's spare. And this one is cylindrical container, so cylinder. Okay, so that's all guys. God bless. See you all.